Alrighty guys, it's Al, come back to you with another YouTube video. Today, we are working on some more interior pieces. We are doing a new headliner for the Turbo GMC. So you can see we got the old headliner out in front of us. I did just a little test patch with the plastic wire wheel, and that's what we're gonna get to right away. I'll show you the materials that we're gonna use really quick. Alrighty, so this is what we're looking at for material here. We have some Permatex 27828. This is the heavy duty headliner adhesive right here. This stuff isn't too bad. You can get it on Amazon. Similar to, you can also get this on Amazon. This is like almost like a micro-suede or an ALCANTARA material. I don't really know if I would want to call it ALCANTARA because it's obviously not ALCANTARA, but it's kind of a similar texture. It's black. That was my goal with this headliner, is to have a black headliner. So this is the material we're going to use. I got this on Amazon, I'm probably into this for about 30 bucks. So let's get to the headliner and stripping that stuff off. All right, so we're about halfway into the headliner in approximately 20 minutes. It's going pretty good. I do like this plastic wire wheel. I will say, make sure you have a drill that's like can go forward and reverse, because sometimes when you're working around this stuff, it's nice for it to be going towards the edge instead of into the edge. So good to have forward and reverse for sure. It seems like you kind of wear the wire wheel one way, then you can reverse it, and then it bites a little bit more, and then it wears that way and you can reverse it again. There's a couple of things that I've learned here. Like I said, the forward and backwards. Also, working slower and not just kind of going like this, but working the drill slower and making less passes seems to work better. And also, you basically need to put no pressure on the drill, like pushing down, because when you start to put pressure on it, it'll actually eat into this kind of fiberglass core that's behind it. So just be really gentle with it and let the drill do the work. Alrighty guys, here we are. We got this thing all cleaned up and all the old material removed. I used a 3M Scotch-Brite pad as well, and that really seemed to knock down some of the stuff. So we're just kind of mocking it up here and making sure we got enough material, which barely, but we do. We're gonna hopefully make this work. I got about a knuckle, 2 knuckles extra on each end, so we'll see if it'll work, because you gotta use low material down in the dips. But we're gonna start slinging glue on this thing, and you'll see it on time lapse, and we'll check in with you once it's done. Reading the instructions on this can, it says to do 3 coats, 5 minutes in between each, wait 5 minutes, and then put your material down. It says to do them in perpendicular directions, so we're gonna go left and right. We'll go left and right that way, and then come back and do one more left and right. We're gonna throw some material on the headliner hanging on the door there, and catch you in the time lapse. Alrighty, well, we got this thing mostly laid down. It looks pretty good. A couple things that I learned. This glue dries very fast, and it is very, very sticky. So even on a regular cab headliner, it's not a bad idea to do half and then do the other half. I didn't do that, decided just to do the whole dang thing, and that kind of bit us in the butt a little bit. We got a couple smaller creases in it, which not my proudest work, but not sure how often you look up in a vehicle and say, wow, there's a crease there. So it's black, it's laid down, it's not going to sag, and that's pretty much what I'm worried about. So kind of hard with suede to even see some of the creases anyways, but working on folding the edges over a little bit right now. Alrighty, well, here it is with all the edges tucked. It looks pretty good. Like I mentioned before, it's got a couple creases. I am not too worried about it because it's black and it's going to be above your head. You're not really looking up. So a couple things I would suggest if you're going to do this yourself for the first time. I would take it half by half and do that, because this stuff gets tacky and it does dry really fast, even though it's 55 in my shop today. I would definitely get 2 of those things of headliner adhesive. I only used 1, but if I knew I had 2, I probably would have used a little bit more on the headliner in certain spots. And yeah, I think that's about what I learned. We tucked the edges. They're just glued on the backside, and they're tucked all the way around. You get a lot of your strength from tucking your edges like that. So overall, pretty happy with it. Looks good enough to be in the turbo regular cab. Alrighty guys, well, this is about going to call it for the video. So we got the headliner done. First time I've ever done a headliner, first time Bailey's ever done a headliner, and turned out pretty good for what it was. So I want to say thanks to my buddy Dale. He made the intro for the video before this and the beginning of this video. So I just want to say thanks to him for making that for me. And thank you for watching the video up until here. I hope you found this helpful. Maybe you want to redo the headliner in your truck, and I would just say go give it a shot and get it done. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.